Good morning student, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about types of angles and pair of lines. Okay, so let's see student. At first you tell me, before I start the discussion of types of angle, please at first you tell me what is angle. So what is angle student? So when two rays meet with two rays with a common endpoint form an angle. An angle was also formed when two line segments meet or cross each other. Okay, let's see the types of angles. So types of angle: when two line segments meet, different types of angles are formed. So first one is the acute angle. So what is acute angle? A acute angle measures less than 90 degree. So if you draw any angle which is that measurement is less than 90 degrees, those type of angles is called acute angle. So an acute angle measures less than 90 degree. So see here, O is the vertex. So CO is the one of that line segment, and AB is the another line segment. So this OC is meet at O. So O is the vertex. So here is COB make an angle. So angle COB, if you take this protector, so we know how to measure an angle. So if you take this protector, then easily you can measure this. You see this one thing, so you know how to measure this. So you have to coincide of the baseline with this line AB. So you see here, and you see the midpoint also you put on the vertex. Okay, so and then you find then you easily you can measure what is the angle. See here, is this angle is less than 90 degrees, so this angle is called acute angle. Okay, let's see that the next angle is the right angle. So a right angle measure exactly 90 degree. So we know that when the angle is exactly 90 degree, how to show it? We can show this angle by a square. So you see that little square I drew here. I have drawn a little square to show this right angle. So you know that right angle means 90 degrees. So a right angle measures exactly 90 degree. So FO is a right angle. So this angle is a right angle. Okay, so now is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So you see here, in what is the difference between acute and obtuse angle? In acute angle is measured less than 90 degree, but obtuse angle is measured more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So you see here, in this angle, so 90 degree means this is 90 degree. Okay, if you draw one line here, so this side angle is 90 degree, but this is, see, it is more than 90 degree. If you want, you can use this protector also, you can find out how much this angle. So by using this protector you can easily find out this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This up to here is this full angle is 180 degree. So it is, see, this is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Let's the reflex angle. Reflex angle measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So you see here, more than 180 degree means up to this, here to here, this is 180 degree, but you see this is more than 180 degree but less than, when you full circle means 360 degree. So it is less than 360 degree but more than 180 degree. So reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So angle PQR is a reflex angle. So see there, see here. So this is, you know that this is interior angle, this is exterior angle. So this is exterior angle. So see here, zero angle. A zero angle measures 0 degree. So zero angle is very easy to remember. A zero angle measures 0 degree. So angle AOB is a zero angle. See here, angle AOB. So means it, we cannot measure it. So its measurement is 0. Okay. So straight angle. So a straight angle means measures exactly 180 degree. So see here. So this is half circle. So BOA is a or you can say AOB is a straight angle. Okay, Now you see the complete angle. So a complete angle measures 360 degree. I told you is full circle, so means it starts from here to full, you take a round, and means starting point and ending point both are in same point. Okay, so you starts from here to, you can measure, and full you can come back again that same point. A complete angle measures 360 degrees. So angle LMN is a complete side. LMN. Okay, so it is a complete side, complete angle. Okay, complete angle. Okay, so these are the types of angles. So you please remember acute angle, right angle. So acute angle means is less than 90 degree, right angle means is exactly 90 degree, obtuse angle is means more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, zero angle means 0 degree, you measure 0 degree, and straight angle means 180 degree, and complete angle means measures 360 degree. Okay, so those things you please remember and practice these figures also. This figures is also is important. So what kind of question will come in exam? So you have to in questions the angle is given, sometimes is asking about or identify the angles, what is type of angles is it. So means these figures is given, so you have to find out the or you have to identify the types of angle, what types of angle you can find out. So you, for this you please remember this you make a chart, and you please remember, and more times you practice, and please remember these figures also. Okay, let's see the another parts of this topic. Okay, let's see. So students, now we are discussing about the angles. So what is angles, what types of angles, those things already we discussed. So now is the important things is the pair of angles. Okay, so angles, types of angles already we discussed. So now is the important parts is a pair of angles. So when two or more line segments meet, different types of angles are formed whose measurement are related to each other. Okay, so you know that when two rays with a common endpoint, that time also angle is formed, and angle is also formed when two line segment meet or cross each other. Okay, so you see here when two or more line segments meet, so means is from this first line we easily we can understand the angle will be formed there. So different types of angles are formed, we know that, whose measurements are related to each other. So let's see what is the relation between those angles. Okay, so first one is the adjacent angle. Okay, so what is the meaning of adjacent angle? So two angles which lie side by side such that one of their arms and the vertex are common are called adjacent angles. So what is vertex, what is arms, those things already we have seen. So you see that two angles which side by side, so which lie side by side such that one of their arms and the vertex are common. So you can understand, you see this picture. So here you see that two angles, so here you see that the two angles is formed, this one angle, this one another angle, and with a common arm. So this arm is common, so OA is the common arm, and with a common vertex. Vertex is, what is this vertex, is O. So O is here vertex. So you see that in the figure POA and AOQ are two adjacent angles. O is the common arm and O is the common vertex. So O is the common arm and O is the common vertex. So when this situation is fulfilled, that time we can say that these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay, so please remember. And next one is the complementary angles. So when we can say these angles are complementary, so let's see the definition at first. So when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, okay, the angles are termed as complementary angles. So sum of two angles, so you see here this angle is 10 degree and this angle is 80 degree. So if we add 80 degree plus 10 degree, then we will get 90 degree. So these two angles are, we can say that is these two angles are complementary angles. Or you see here also in this figure you see this angle, so DOF or FOD, this angle is 60 degree, and FOE or EOF equals to 30 degree. So 60 degree plus 30 degree means 90 degree. So we can say that these two angles are complementary angles. So when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that time the angles is termed as complementary angles. So see here, from the above figure we observe that the first one, figure number A, so ABC plus XYZ is equal to 10 plus 80 degree plus is equal to 90 degree. Thus angle ABC and angle XYZ are complementary angles. So same things you see the figure B, angle DOF plus FO angle FOE equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree, so means 90 degree. So thus angle DOF and FOE are also complementary angles. Okay, so let's see here the another types of pairs of angles. So supplementary angles, so when the sum of two angles is 90 degree. So what is the difference between complementary and supplementary? So complementary angles, the sum of two angles is 90 degree, and here sum of two angles is 180 degree. So you don't make a confusion here. So you remember complementary, the sum of angles is 90 degree, supplementary means the sum of angles is 180 degree. The angles are termed as supplementary angles. So see here the first figure, so 80 degree plus 100 degree, so 80 plus 100 means 180 degree. So then these two angles are called supplementary angles. So you will see here this angle is 70 degree, this angle is 110 degree. So when you add sum of those two angles, then we will get 180 degree. So these two angles are also supplementary angles. Now there's another types of pairs of angles is the vertically opposite angles. So when two line segments such as LM and ST meet at vertex O, four angles are formed. So this figure is already we have seen. So when two line segment meet or cross each other, so that time the angles is formed. So now is that we can find out. So we know that that time four angles will be formed, but what is the relation between these opposite angles? So what is the relation here? Here the two pairs of angles, angle A, angle B, are vertically opposite angles. So this angle are vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement. So if you take this protractor and you measure this angle A and angle B, then easily you can find out angle A equals to angle B, and same things here also angle C equals to angle D. So using a protractor you will find out that angle A equals to angle B, angle C equals to angle D. So already I have measured these things. I got angle A equals to 120 degree, and same measurement here also angle B equals to 120 degree. But when I measure C and D, I got 60 degree. So angle C and angle D both are 60 degree. So from this measurement we can find out these vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement. Okay, let's see the another things. So angles on a straight line. So if two or more angles are formed on the same side of a line, so see here these three angles are in same side of a line, the sum of all the angles is 180 degree, because we know that that when that line is straight and if we measure this angle, so we will get 180 degree. But if you you break these things by using a two lines or rays, line segment or rays, so that time you notice one thing in the given figure, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So angle A, B and C are all formed on the same line AOB. So thus angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So you use this protractor, and also you can find out this sum of these three angles equals to 180 degree. So these are the angles on a straight line. So now the last part is that angles around a point. So the sum of the angles formed around a point is 360 degrees. So if you consider O here is a vertex, so this is a one point. So if you if the sum of angles form around this, so you see that around of this point so many angles are here. So in the given figure, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So four angles, when you add these four angles all around that same point O, so then you will get this is 360 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degrees. So the sum of angles formed around a point is 360 degree. So these are the pairs of angles. These are the some types of pairs of angles. So you please you remember those things when we will say it is complementary angles, when it is say is supplementary angles, because those things is very very important. Because in my worksheet I have given some questions. You see here, students, see this question number 3, write C for complementary and S for supplementary angles. So you students, you remember one thing, in complementary angles the sum of the sum of angles is 90 degree. See here, when the sum of the angles is 90 degree, so that time we can say it is complementary, and when the sum of angles is 180 degree, that time it is called supplementary angles. So you see here, so these are very much easy. You please do it. And here one of the question is here, say true or false, angle ABD and DBC are supplementary angles, or ABD is a right angle, or angle DBC is an acute angle. So you see here 120 degree and 60 degree. So you think about it, 120 plus 60 degree, so 180 degree. So which type of angles is it? Complementary, supplementary, acute, or right angle? Because you remember one thing, acute angle is measured less than 90 degree, and right angles is measured exactly 90 degree. And supplementary, the sum of angles is 120 degree. When the sum of angles is 180 degree, that time it is called supplementary. When the sum of two angles is 180 degree, the sum of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are termed as supplementary. So you easily you can find out which statement is true or false. And the first one is the given that angle GOI and IOH are complementary angles, and this angle is given, you can find out this angle. So it is very easy, is already is statement in question is given, these are complementary. So complementary, that means the sum of two angles is 90 degree. So 1 is given, 20 is given, total is 90 degree. So you can easily find out angle IOH. Okay, so you try it, student, and also you practice do your worksheet question answer. Okay, in my next video I will discuss about the triangle. Okay, before you please save at your home, and okay, thank you, bye.